What's that, Cass? What's in there?
Hi, bunny! Oh, bunny, bunny! Bunny!
Cassie, stop. Nom.
Hey, he put it off on me.
Yep.
Hey!
Did he grab the grass out of your fingers?
Because my finger and thumb is slippery.
They're very slippery, are they? Hi, bunny. Hello, little lawnmower. You're so cute. You giving it a feed, are you?
Yeah. Hey!
Sorry, I gotcha.
The kid bumped into
Cassie,
me.
what are you doing? Cass, puss. What you doing up there? Oh,
I'm facing
stand up.
it. Cat?
Whew. Comfy up there.
Yeah, whoa.
There we go. Cassie, baby. What you doing, Miss Press? Hey, little miss who scared me this morning.
Yeah, bunny.
Jasmine, I love you.
Maybe I meet at the bunny.
Bunny's going to knock its water over again, isn't it? Don't know how many times I have to refill that water each day. Funny bunny. It's a funny bunny, isn't it?
Yeah. Sometimes he'd be a funny bunny and he knocked it down like boom.
Yup.
Yeah. Yummy quail.
Cute bunny, isn't it? Yum, yum. Yum, yum.
Go.
Meow.
Ah, ah.
Cassie.
Bunny, bunny. Bunny black.
It is a black bunny, isn't it?
That's right.
Cassie. Who's that over there?
Bunny. Oh, bunny.
Is that our neighbour? Bye, bunny. Well, catch him eating one more time. Oh, wait, let him finish what he's eating.
Yep.
Hello, Cassie. I know you just want snuggles.
Hi. Bunny. Bunny.
Wait, he's still eating. Oh, hello, Kringle. Whoop, straight between legs. Yum, yum, yum.
Not the seafront.
Hey, Kringle. How you doing, boy? Gorgeous boy. Bye, Bunny. Bye, Jazzy. Bye, Cassie. Where'd you go, Kringle? Bye, Kringle. Kringle.